Oh my god, 12-piece Gearwrench Flex head ratchet for $99. How can I resist? I mean, that's got to be a good price, really. I mean, look at the price here on RS Components. Holy moly. Gaswell Tools, similar set, $2.99. Oh, hang on, what's this? This is Amazon UK, $138. And then over to eBay for $139. It's not looking quite so cheap now. And right here at Tools Warehouse for $99. Okay, so these have turned up. Straight from Total Tools, $99, free postage. This is supposed to be a one day only special, but as I was showing, other places are selling them for the same price. So, I'll open them up, see how good or bad they are. Now there's been a lot on the internet lately saying that Gearwrench has gone downhill in terms of their quality. So I've never been able to get some Gearwrench, so this will be the first for me. So this is 12-piece metric, and realistically metric's all I've ever used here. I have got some imperial barcodes there just in case I need them, but that was more of a, once again, good price. Just grabbed them. So, see if we can find out where we're made. Okay, so yeah, this is Apex Tool Group BV, Netherlands. So it's supposed to be European models. It is made in China. If this wrench, when used for its intended purpose, fails to give you complete satisfaction, we will, at our discretion, send you a free replacement of the same or similar item. Gearwrench wrenches are precision tools and not intended to free frozen fasteners. Well, that was something I was always taught, that your ratcheting end was not the one you put the pipe wrench on, the pipe on. They were for tightening down, so that's fair enough. So anyway, let's open them up, have a bit of a look. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, so no skips there, that's pretty good. Oh, they seem to be a little bit oiled. That's quite tight, but then that's probably not a bad thing. That seems to be nice. Turn them over to change direction. I don't really see any major issues. There's no tricky jaw or anything like that. Little arrow there to tell you which way to turn them. Not really sure what that mark there is. Not sure if you can see it on the screen, but maybe someone can let me know. Let's see if it's on all of them. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Any poor casting or anything on them. So yeah, don't really think there's a problem with that. I know maybe the fact they do seem to be European rather than American, maybe there's some maybe they were destined for the English market, but now with the Brexit thing they're not going to get there. I don't know, but anyway, I'm happy to have them. Yeah, no, I think they're alright. And just for some comparison, this is the Kincrome set. I have it in the lid of my toolbox here, so that when I open up it all comes out good. They are, they have the reversing key Probably not as heavy as the gear wrench I just purchased, and of course not the flex head either. I think this kit was about 160 when I bought it, but I've had it for at least 5 years, so yeah. So yeah, the Gearwrench one, you know, I don't know that they're originally worth $300, but they're certainly more heavy duty than this, and they have the flex head, so yeah, it'll be interesting. I'll use them a bit and see how they go.